Good day, GIS lovers. Now in this lecture, we are going to learn about map georeferencing. What is georeferencing and why we need to do georeferencing? Georeferencing means geographically refer an image map to its real world position. But before knowing the concept, we need to know why we need to do georeferencing. In our map digitizing lecture, we already know for our map digitizing purpose, we need a reference map. And there are two types of reference map in the world of GIS. One is base map. Say I want to do digitize some kind of building, road and point of interest. By using this base map, we can easily start digitizing. How? Say I am using this OpenStreetMap as a base map. By using this, I can easily start digitizing this building, road and point of interest. Now, number two, georeferenced image map as reference map for our map digitizing purpose. Say you want to start digitizing of USA state's boundary. All of the state's boundary you want to do digitize. But in this base map, you can't see the state boundary, this USA state. What is the way? For this purpose, you have got an image map. So by using this image map, you can start digitizing of this state boundary. But this is a normal image. How any GIS software will understand it is not a JPG picture of you and me. It's a image map actually of US state. So that he can give this image map its real world position like here. Let's add this image map, which is not georeferenced yet. If we add this image map in or this ArcGIS Pro software, what will be happen? It's not georeferenced, not yet. Let's add this and let's see. If we add this in here, ArcGIS Pro will getting confused. What is this image actually? Is it an image map or it's a picture of you and me? What will be the real world position of this image map? Because no types of information exist in this image JPG file. So ArcGIS Pro will get confused. What will be its real world position? If I click yes, let's see what type of place this image map will get from ArcGIS Pro. Where is our US state image map? It should be in there. But if I click zoom to layer, ArcGIS Pro give this image map place as out of the world. So this is not logical actually. It's not ArcGIS Pro fault. He does not know what is the real world position of this JPG file. So we need to give the instruction ArcGIS Pro. We need to talk with ArcGIS Pro by which he will get the information. This is not a normal picture image. It's an image map of US state and it should get the real world position of this image map in US state. So the way of talking with ArcGIS Pro and you is known as georeferencing. This is georeferencing. Geographically refer this image map to its real world position so that any GIS software will understand it's not a picture image, it's an image map. It should be placed in its real world position. Okay, so this is not the end. Georeferencing means geographically refer an image map based on its longitude, latitude values. Otherwise, how we can give the instruction to ArcGIS Pro, what will be the real world position of these points in the base map? Okay, now let's add another image map which is already georeferenced. Say, if I add a georeferenced image map like this is a georeferenced image map already. It is georeferenced. Now if we add this, zoom to layer, see, as it's a georeferenced image map, it's getting its real world position. See this? But our this USA image map is not georeferenced. That is why it is getting out of the world position. But don't worry, this is georeferencing. But what is the concept of georeferencing? We need to give instruction to the GIS software. Say, give the real world position of this point of this image map. Okay, ArcGIS Pro, place this point of this image map to your that point of the real world, which longitude latitude value is this one. First of all, I need to talk with ArcGIS Pro. Then I will ask ArcGIS Pro, give this point of this image to the real world position of your base map in where the longitude latitude value is this one. So this is the way how I can refer an image map, geographically refer this image map based on its latitude, longitude values. After giving all of these longitude, latitude values, the whole image map will get its real world position in here. So this is georeferencing. After which it will get the real world position in the base map, and by using which we can start digitizing. In our next lecture, we will learn how to do georeferencing in ArcGIS Pro, and not only that, we will learn how to georeference a grid map also, how to georeference by using decimal degree unit, and how to georeference by using degree minute second value also. So there are many surprises are waiting for you in our upcoming lectures. Bye for today.